Welcome back to another YouTube video. I am Niall Amari from Best RV in Turlock, California. Today, we're going to go over another unit from Keystone. It is a brand new 2026 Keystone Bullet 280 QBS. Let's talk about the nice features about the Bullet 280 QBS. As you see in the front, it comes with a 3 panel. They are metal paneling, not fiberglass, so they're more solid. A diamond plate in the bottom, and then the 2 pieces of metal. Each corner molding in the front come with a nice LED light and a switch. You could turn it on and off. I mean, I hope you see this beautiful LED. It makes it so bright when you park that trailer in the dark in a campground. I love Keystone. They provided with me with a 3-year limited structure warranty. So this is a nice plus on the Bullet. 1 year tip to tip, 3-year structures, and 12 years on the roof. You have full pass-through storage with the magnet in the front. As will the unit come with a 220-watt solar panel with inverter prep. And you could see there's a 30-amp controllers and the inverter prep right there in the corner. We will cache it on the other side. In this unit, as you see, you have a big power awning with LED light. This is my top innovations, Keystone Bullet. 1 key for everything, so you have a key for the entry door and key for all the compartments. This is the 220-watt solar panel already on the roof. This unit comes with a thermal package, which is enclosed underbelly, heated, with 30,000 BTU furnace. So like a cold day like today, this unit is no issue at all. You have over here's a TV hookup, 110 and coax, so you could put a TV right there if you want, or you could put it on the table. And this plug is an inverter outlet, so if I decide to add an inverter, then I could run this plug off the inverter and I could watch my TV off the battery if I choose. Coming over here, you have an outside shower, hot and cold, as well outside sprayers. Outside sprayers is if you want to spray your feet, your dogs in a cold water. This is hot and cold, same the inside shower inside, same is here. But this is what most desired people they love on the 280 QBS is the U-shaped full storage on both sides. If you give me a chance to open the other side, and you will see how humongous the storage. So you could see it's a 3-way, it go all the way that way to the other side and further here and further there. So all the bunk area in the back with the closet is the storage from outside. So you could put your own barbecue, you could put on your fridge, lounge chairs, you name it. The list is unlimited. As you see, it comes supported with a backup camera prep in the rear and a spare tire and a cover and a 4 stabilizer jack and it's walkable roof. So if you decide one day to add a ladder, you can. Going over here, this is the other side of the big, huge storage in the back. There's a tube here to where you store your sewer hose, so there's no issue to storing your sewer hose. 4 stabilizer jack. Big slide out where you have the U-shaped dinette and the sofa on the slide. Endless hot water heater with a cable hookup, satellite hookup, city water connection, sandy flush, and then the other side of the storage where I showed you. Let's go inside and show you the 280 QBS. As you see, I'm sitting here on a sofa. This sofa has a storage underneath and it has jackknife sofa. So this sofa is turned to a bed. So if I wanted to make it a bed, voila, there's a bed right there. No question asked. As you see, there's a storage underneath it and with the big windows all over the unit. Now, next to the sofa is you have a U-shaped dinette, and as you notice, there's a storage underneath the U-shaped dinette. You could access it from underneath. The beauty about this floor plan is everybody who's sitting on the U-shaped dinette and the sofa, they could watching the TV because the TV is facing them and it's on a swing bracket. When you walk in from this unit, they give you a really nice coat hangers, as you see right here and there. And then you have a lot of doors here. And you could see even the storage and inverter plug. And then you have a storage here is accessible both way. And you could use it, you could put your trash can here and you could put other stuff. Bullet, they provide you with a big country sink, 1-piece solid sink under mount. Nice smart TV facing the sofa, the dinette. And by the way, it's on a swing arm, as you see right here. Let me just take this strap. So I could swing it the way I want it. The reason why they put the TV a little bit down, so they could give you more kitchen cabinets. Now, Bullet, they provide you with a 2-burner range, air fryer, convection microwave, and this is air fryer. So I want to emphasize that it has the air fryer. And then you have more tinsel doors, more storage, and they provide you with the biggest fridge for this kind of size of trailer. Is the Norcal. You can see all the cold, and it's a 12 volt, and the size of the fridge is the 10.7 cubic foot refrigerators. And you could see it's very big and run of 12 volt, and no worries about running this refrigerator. You have the 220 watt solar panel and come with a bigger AC Freon, as well bigger furnace, the 30,000 PTU furnace. The beauty about this unit, you still have a huge pantry here. So the ladies, they say, where's my pantry? As I already there, provided to you. So you have full pantry here, as well full storage underneath the U-shaped dinette, storage underneath the sofa with a net, as well this beautiful kitchens. Now, why people they like this unit is because they have full privacy to the bunk room. So you have a solid door here, and then you have a bigger size bunks. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, plus you have doors here for socks, underwears, more storage inside. And then big, huge closets. And then you have a place for hookup for additional TV in the back. As you see, the 2 coax and the 2 USB plug chargers for cell phones or iPads. This is 50 amp service, let me emphasize that, and the prep for second AC. So if I decide to add a second AC, yes you can. It's 50 amp service, has the wire there, and I could add the second AC at Best RV here if you want for additional cost. But for this size unit, 1 is plenty. But if you need, you still emphasize, say you still insist to have the second, we could add it. Over here, you have a nice, beautiful bathroom with a big counter space, inverter prep, endless hot water heater, nice mirror, more closet, nicer toilet, and then you have a standing showers with a big skylight. I love the skylight. It's very bright, and then nice shower head. Believe me, it's big. Covered head and very roomy for elbow and height in the and privacy. Now going to the main master bedroom, as you see, it has a full privacy doors. So you have a nice pocket doors here. Solid queen bed with a big big closets. And by the way, this is the outside sprayers. And then you have another closet over there. There's a USB plug and 110 plug, place for books and so on. There's a TV bracket mounts here. So if you decide to put your TV mount is right here, and there's the TV hookup, so you could add additional TV. And then you have full storage finish both ways. So you have the clean one. You put pillows, blanket sheets, as well. All this, as you see, you remove the net and it's full storage for you. Folks, on the 280 QBS, we bought 100 unit and we have a price of $31.99. We guarantee you the lowest price in this side of the country, and no one even can come close to these prices because we bought a bulk, and all that bulk saving, we pass it to you. As well, we support it here with a free dealer prep, free walkthrough, free orientation. And that price of $31.99 is in California, West Coast, not East Coast. The same unit, we sell it in our location in East Coast, averaging $5,000 less due to the shipping. You need to realize the factory is in Goshen, Indiana, and we are in Turlock, California. the other side of the country. So to drag this unit, or to not use the word drag, to ship this unit from Keystone manufacturer all the way to the dealer in Turlock, California, it costing us average around $5,500 today. So please, when you compare my price to other dealers, take considerations the shipping costs from East Coast to West Coast. If you take my price in the West Coast, as well my price in the East Coast, guarantee you in both locations, no one could match our price, because we work the factory for you, for your hard-working money. So we get all that saving and pass it to you. So when we price this kind of item for $31.99, we give you all the saving, all the haggling upfront to you. So when you come here, just come enjoy it and buying it and go have fun and have camping. And when you do the doubt for your homework, look at this. Not just the price, $31.99. Also, we have no any hidden fees. When I wash it, clean it, prep it, and make it ready for you, I don't charge you not even a fees. Come to Best RV and grab this 280 QBS and take your family and let's go enjoying, because this trailer allow you to sleep up to 8 people, no question asked, and you have full privacy rooms, one for the kids, one for you. Come to Best RV and enjoy this unit.